Uh, what do we have here? What did you do? What'd you get into? What is this? Kleenex. Well, where did that come from? All I had was one piece. And we took care of that one piece, didn't we? You say, uh-oh. Did I hear uh-oh? Huh? Uh-oh. Okay, say bye-bye. What is that, Michael? Huh? What is that? What do you have? May I have that, please? Thank you. May I have that one, too? Thank you. Joey, may I have yours, please? No, honey, you weren't trying to eat that or anything, were you? Huh? Michael? What's in your mouth, Bubba? What do you have? On the end of your nose, there's evidence. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh. Really? Okay, that's probably not a good idea. Can I have that, please?